The National Rifle Association has filed a lawsuit to try to block a Florida school safety bill that puts new restrictions on guns. Final passage of the measure came after a gunman killed 17 people at a high school with a semi-automatic assault-style rifle last month. Florida's governor says the bill balances individual rights with the need for public safety. Adriana Diaz reports.
With the sweep of a pen, Florida Governor Rick Scott is allowing some teachers to carry guns in classrooms while also tightening access to firearms. The new law also limits rifle sales to people 21 or over after a 3-day waiting period, allows law enforcement to confiscate firearms from people who make threats, and allocates $400 million for school safety and mental health. But what it doesn't do is ban assault rifles.
The one thing that the students had a consensus on is that they wanted an assault weapons ban. This law doesn't include that.
Rather than banning specific weapons, we need to ban specific people from having any weapon.
By allowing some school staff to carry weapons in counties that opt into the program, Florida joins at least 11 other states with similar measures. But teachers in Florida's union, including Felicia Alvarez and Shane Cook, want guns out of schools.
These students are our future. Right now, we are showing them that the answer to violence is more violence.
The idea of being armed is very enticing. But the bigger issue is that we're creating laws that are not fixing the problem.
The families of all 17 victims in the Parkland shooting support the new law. Some, like Tony Montalto, who lost his daughter Gina, were there for the signing.
We have paid a terrible price for this progress. We call on more states to follow Florida's lead and create meaningful legislation to make all schools safer. This time must be different.
Gun control laws have emerged from other school shootings, but what's significant about this state is that Florida is such a gun-friendly state. It also has a Republican governor and Republican-controlled legislature. Now, Governor Scott is a member of the NRA. He received an A+ rating from the NRA, but he broke from the NRA with this move. Earlier this week, an NRA lobbyist said that the legislation was a display of, quote, bullying and coercion. For CBS This Morning Saturday, Adriana Diaz, Tallahassee.